Hi there, hello everyone. This video is about how to make Hello World with Unity. In this tutorial we are going to be using the Debug Log function. Debug Log is quite useful function and used a lot in development. For example, you can print text to the Unity console. So basically it's used for checking some status or finding some error. And we are going to print the Hello World to Unity's console. Okay then, let's get started. If your layout doesn't look like this, please click this button on the right upside, then it will set to default mode. First, we need two kind of things, empty game object and script file. Okay, please right click here and select create empty and name it as script folder. Next, right click here and select create and then select C# script and name it as Hello World. Then drag this script to script folder game object. It creates component of script folder. Then double click the Hello World script. It will open up your text editor for scripting automatically. Mine is Visual Studio 2019. Here you can see start function and update function. We don't use update function at this time, so delete it. Then please write this code to start function. Debug.log open paren double quote hello world double quote close paren semicolon. And C# is capital sensitive, so D and L is capital. Be careful. Okay then, we need to save it. And let's check this on Unity editor. Push this play button right here. And check it here on Unity console. It prints Hello World here. Congratulations, maybe you just made your first Unity code. Okay then, let's try a few more things. Let's go to the script editor and type here debug.log warning open paren double quote hello warning double quote close paren semicolon. And debug.log error open paren double quote hello error double quote close paren semicolon. Okay then, let's go to the Unity editor again and press play button there. Then check the console. It will print hello warning and hello error with different color, yellow and red. Okay, please check these three toggle buttons. You can select visibility of standard text or warning or error, like this. And also you can type here something which will select corresponding text. This is very handy sometimes. Okay, this was quick debug log tutorial. It's quite useful debug tool which developers could use a lot. So this was first beginner tutorial. If you liked it, please thumbs up or subscribe the channel. Or maybe you can do both. And also I am developing indie game. If there's something to tell you, it will be informed in comment section area, so please check it. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.